Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Danny G, and for today's video, it is an informative video slash talk video, and I am really excited to film this video. By the way, if you're new here, thank you for checking out my channel for the first time. If you're coming back, thank you for coming back, and everyone, thank you so much for giving me some of y'all precious time today. So, as you guys can already tell from the title, I currently joined GRUBHUB. I joined GRUBHUB and I am excited to tell you guys the whole process situation that's been going on. So I wrote a little things that I want to talk about, and yeah, let's get started. By the way, this is all for my experience. Everybody else's experience is different from mine, so I'm going to be focusing on me and how it went for me, and how it might go for you as well. So, since the end of last year, I wanted to get another job. Currently, I have a full-time job that I do during the day, and I was like, you know what, this is not enough because I'm not making enough. I'm only making like $1 more than the minimum wage in the state of Florida, which is really sad, and I need something else. So I was looking online. I literally applied to restaurants, to stores at the mall and stuff like that, and wouldn't get anything. So I saw this GRUBHUB thing, you know, logo thing online on the search engine, I believe on Snagajob, or you know, one of those, and GRUBHUB was there. So I was like, you know what, let me give this a try. Hopefully it's not a scam. So I started the process. I looked up, you know, making sure, and I applied. The application, I literally did it on my phone. It was super easy and quick. Now, that was the beginning. And by the way, I started back last year. So, and throughout the whole process, I was a little skeptical. It's like, wait a minute, let me ask more questions. Let me ask other people, like, what's up? What is this? And eventually I gave in and I continued on with the application process, which I recently just finished back late February of this year. So I went ahead and sent in all the information they asked for, such as my full information, bank account, address, you know, license, insurance, and stuff like that. Now, I sent all that and I didn't find out yet if I was approved or not. So I went on a trip to Dominican Republic. If you have not seen that video, definitely go check it out. It was so much fun. And I came back early March. And in early March, I checked my email and I was approved. And yay, I could start. And it was so much fun. Yay. Now, wait. Once I'm approved, they assigned me this team leader, this person that, you know, you can ask questions and stuff like that. So I sent him an email, be like, so I got approved, so how do I start? He was like, you can start like literally today if you'd wanted to. Just make sure you get on the app and do all what you gotta do. And I was like, okay. So in the process, I got my card. Let me show you guys. So it's just like a regular debit or credit card that you get. And I got on the app, activated the card, and that was it for now. So the guy told me I could start, but I was like, don't I need like equipment or a shirt or something? He's like, you should be getting your equipment in the mail. And that was bags for me to pick up the orders in. So I was like, oh, interesting. So I actually waited until I got the bags before I actually started, because I didn't want to go without the bags. I don't know, just like me. But you could definitely start out without the bags. I've seen like several people without bags. So I got on the app, activated the card, and got my bags literally like less than a week later in the mail. And I was like, yeah, hooray! I was like, yes, I'm so ready. And definitely I went on the app, did whatever I had to do, scheduled myself, and boom, I was ready to go. By the way, I started delivering back in April. So I've been doing this for how many months? April, May, June, July. So 1, 2, 3, almost 4 months. So definitely I did it right when the whole Corona COVID-19 explosion happened. And yeah, so during my experience delivering during the COVID-19, it was amazing. It was a breeze. I truly loved it. The reason why I loved it, there was no traffic, everybody was home, everything was quiet, everything was closed, so much less traffic. I literally like got to the restaurant and to the people's house at the time the map told me. There was no like extra, you know, time. Like sometimes they tell you be there at 7:25, but you end up being there at 7:26 because of traffic. But no, honey, I would actually get there like a minute before the actual map tells me, which was perfect. So that was that. And during the whole COVID-19, the restaurants were very different. You couldn't go in. Like there's so many different restaurants I went to. I had to stay outside. So I would either call the restaurant, be like, hey, I'm here to pick up so and so. So yeah, come bring it out. They would bring it out, or they would like give it to you through like a window or something. It was like, whoa, extreme, but I guess it was necessary. Now, I'm going to show you guys the equipment so you guys can like have an idea of what am I talking about and the bags. So I got this. Here's the bags that I got. This is the big bag. This is the jumbo bag, you can see. And it's very nice. It does its job. It keeps the food warm and stuff like that. Now, I have the smaller bag. I am truly a fan of the smaller bag because, you know, easier. You could clasp it, and then sometimes I carry it like this. Very nice and discreet, but, you know, it's whatever. Now, the cool thing that I like about this bag, you could carry it 2 ways. You could either carry it this way, like a tote, and then you go carry it this way if you have an order for a pizza, like a small pizza, and then you will carry it that way, which is very clever of them. Now, because of the whole COVID-19, they sent me an email that there's equipment that I could get for the whole COVID-19. Now, I got the equipment. It came in this box, and what was in the box is obviously gloves. I got this huge pack of gloves, and also in the box came face masks because I didn't have any of them. I didn't have any face masks. Got some face masks and definitely some hand sanitizer. Now the hand sanitizer, what am I saying? The hand sanitizer, I completely finished it because I really needed some, and comes a little note with, you know, more, yeah, instructions and stuff. So that was very convenient, and it was definitely free. I was shocked that there was zero charge and zero money to pay to receive that. And at that time, it was so hard to like find masks in stores. I was like, wow, it was crazy. But anyway, that was my beginning experience on joining GRUBHUB. Probably later on I'll do more videos explaining more about it. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and got to know a little bit of what else I do besides my full-time job. Uh, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.